Monday morning coffee time. Wow, that'll open your eyes. Oh, still kind of warm. So it's going to be a great day today. The only problem is it's going to be one windy son of a gun. We got up to 50-mile-an-hour gust part of the day today. It's going to be 72 degrees though, so it ain't going to be a cold breeze at least. I had to take both my awnings down because I don't want them to get tore up. And one day this week it showed we was going to have 60-mile-an-hour gust. Man, that'd blow the hat off your head. That'd cool your coffee off too fast. You have to drink it quicker. So the plan today is, got a new daily arrival report in. We're going to be making up the reservation cards, getting them all put out on the campsites way ahead of time. Most of them, some coming in Wednesday, some Thursday, a lot Friday, and a few Saturday, because some of them Wednesday, Thursday, Friday people are taking off Friday night. They don't like the weekend crowd, so they leave early. And other than that, I'm just going to sit here and drink coffee till about 8 o'clock and then start working. Yeah. Okay. You guys do the same if you can. If you have to work, work. Well, it ain't no big deal. Good for you. All right. Let's finish this off. There it went. Okay. I'll see you tomorrow. Like and subscribe.